Hello everyone. Today we are going to start NCERT Class 4th EVS Chapter 15. The name of the chapter is From Market to Home. In this chapter, Vaishali, a little girl whose father is a vegetable seller, is telling about their family's daily routine. Let's start the chapter. Day at night. My name is Vaishali. My father is a vegetable seller. My whole family, Amma, Bhaiya, Chotu and I help him with his work. Can you guess at what time we begin our work? At 3 o'clock in the morning. When most people are fast asleep, we start our work. She tells her name is Vaishali. Her father is a vegetable seller. Her whole family means her mother, Bhaiya, Chotu and she all help her father in doing his work. She further tells, our day's work begins when Babuji, Amma, Bhaiya and I take out the previous day's vegetable from the gunny bags and baskets. This is to prepare for bringing the fresh vegetables from the mandi. Sometimes Chotu also helps us. Well, their day begins when all their family members, it means her Babuji, Amma, Bhaiya and she take out the previous day's vegetables from the gunny bags and baskets. Can you tell why do they do so? Yes, to prepare for bringing the fresh vegetables from the mandi. Sometimes her younger brother Chotu also helps them. She further tells, as we finish doing this and are having some tea, we hear the horn of the tempo. It is time for Babuji, Bhaiya, Chachu and some others from our street to leave for the mandi. Well, as they finish taking out vegetables from the gunny bags and baskets and are having some tea, they hear the horn of the tempo. Means it is the time for her Babuji, Bhaiya, Chachu and some others from their street to leave for the mandi. See how busy they are. Now tell, does anyone in your house have to get up very early? What time does he or she gets up? What do they need to get up so early? Write it in the blank space in the textbook itself. Preparing for the day. While Babuji is away, Amma, Chotu and I put the previous day's vegetables on gunny bags and sprinkle some water on them. By 6:30 a.m., Babuji is back from the mandi with baskets and sacks of fresh vegetables. Now, while her Babuji is away, her Amma, Chotu and she put the previous day's vegetable on gunny bags and sprinkle some water on that. By 6:30, her Babuji is back from the mandi with baskets and sacks full of fresh vegetables. She further tells, at that time our house looks more like a small vegetable market. There are brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, okra or bhindi, pumpkin, gourds, chilies and many other vegetables all around. Everybody helps in sorting the vegetables. The vegetables which are not fully ripe and ready to sell are kept aside. We have to sort the vegetables fast so as to reach the bazaar as early as possible. You know, at that time, their house looks more like a small vegetable market. Can you tell why? Right, there are so many vegetables. These are brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, okra, pumpkin, gourds, chili and many other vegetables all around. Everybody helps in sorting the vegetables. The vegetables which are not fully ripe and ready to sell are kept aside. They have to sort the vegetables fast so as to reach the bazaar as early as possible. She further tells, by 7 o'clock, Babuji arranges all the vegetables on the hand cart and leaves for the bazaar. He says that if he is late, then his regular buyers may buy vegetables from someone else. As soon as Babuji leaves, I quickly get ready as I have to reach school by 7:30 am. Well, by 7 o'clock, her Babuji arranges all the vegetables on the hand cart and leaves for the bazaar. Her Babuji says that if he will be late, then her regular buyers may buy their vegetables from someone else. As soon as her Babuji leaves, she also gets ready for the school as her school starts at 7:30 am. In the bazaar, Chotu attends school in the afternoon. He rests for a while and goes to the bazaar later with food for Babuji and Bhaiya. He stays with them at the vegetable cart until it is time for him to go to school. Sometimes he goes back after school to help Babuji. Babuji tries to see that the previous day's vegetables are sold first. She tells Chotu attends school in the afternoon. He rests for a while and goes to bazaar with food for Babuji and Bhaiya. He stays with them at the vegetable cart until it is time for him to go to school. Sometimes he goes back after school to help Babuji. Babuji tries to sell the previous day's vegetables first. Let us talk. Babuji sells the previous day's vegetables first. Why do you think he does this? Babuji sells the previous day's vegetables first because these vegetables may get spoilt if kept for long time. Have you seen dried or spoilt vegetables? Where? Yes, I have seen dried and spoilt vegetables in the market and also at my home. How did you know that the vegetables were spoilt? Yes, we can find that the vegetables are spoilt by their wrinkled appearance, foul smell and change of color due to growth of fungus. She further tells, as the previous day's vegetables get sold, Bhaiya takes out fresh vegetables from the sacks and puts them in the cart. He also keeps sprinkling water on the vegetables so that they do not dry up, especially in summers. Well, when previous day's vegetables get sold, her Bhaiya takes out fresh vegetables from the sacks and puts them in the cart. He also keeps sprinkling water on the vegetables so that they do not dry up, especially in summers. She tells Babuji and Bhaiya return home after a long day only around 10 o'clock at night. By then, Chotu and I are asleep. Means, when her Bhaiya and Babuji return home after a long day's work around 10 o'clock, by that time she and Chotu are asleep. She tells everyone else sleeps around 11 or 11:30 at night, and at 3 o'clock next morning, only 4 hours later, our family is up again. Another day has begun. See, everyone else in her family sleeps around 11 or 11:30 at night, and at 3 o'clock next morning they get up. Only 4 hours later, they get up again. It is start of another day. See, they work very hard for their living. Look at the clocks given below. Write what you do and what Vaishali does at the time which the clocks are showing. See, in first picture, in first clock, it is 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, Vaishali gets up and takes out vegetables from the bag. At 6 o'clock in the morning, she puts the vegetables in the bag. At night, 10 o'clock, Vaishali is asleep. Now, what do you do at that time? You will write by your own. Some fun with vegetables. The next time when you get okra, bhindi, at home, look at them carefully. Are all of them the same size? Now what you will do? Find the longest and the shortest one. Measure them. Do all the okra have the same thickness and color? Cut 2 okra lengthwise. Do both of them have the same number of seeds? Draw them in your notebook. Well, Seema's mother has brought some fruits and vegetables from the market. Can you find them in this picture? Color them and write their name alongside. You can do this question in the textbook itself. Let's find out. Given here is a list of vegetables and fruits. Which of these will spoil earlier and which will stay for some days? Write the names in the correct column. You can add more names in the list. So, fruits and vegetables given here are spinach, chiku, cucumber, potato, pineapple, grapes, banana, gourd, ginger, tomato, onion, pear and cabbage. The fruits and vegetables that spoil quickly are tomato, banana, pear, pineapple, spinach and grapes. The fruits and vegetables that can stay for some days are potato, chiku, gourd, onion, cabbage and cucumber. Some of these fruits and vegetables are smooth to touch while some are rough. From the list above, put the names in the correct column. So, the fruits and vegetables which are smooth to touch are tomato, gourd, brinjal, spinach, onion and cucumber. While the fruits and vegetables which are rough to touch are potato, pineapple, pear, ginger and chiku. Which vegetable do you find the heaviest to carry? Yes, it's pumpkin. Draw its picture in your notebook. And tell me which is the lightest fruit or vegetable that you have eaten? Yes, it's grape. Write and draw its picture in your notebook. Now tell me name of 3 vegetables which do not have seeds. Yes, potato, cabbage and carrot. Now there is an activity for you. Fill in the table given below. You can add 3 more names and fill in the table. You will have to write the color, length, weight and price of the vegetable or fruit given there in the table. Now report making. Talk with the vegetable seller in your area. Ask the following questions and make a brief report in the notebook. You will ask questions like what is his or her name, how many people are there in his or her house, how many children are there at home, what are the names of children, how old are they, who all help in the work of selling vegetable? You will ask questions like who all stay with the vegetable cart or sit in the shop? What vegetables do they sell? What time do they start work? For how many hours in a day do they work? Ask them about any 3 vegetables that they sell. You will ask questions like name of the vegetable, the price of the vegetable, where does it come from, how much of the vegetable do they buy at one time, and in which month does this vegetable usually come. That's all for this chapter. Have a nice day.